Mic check, 1, 2. Hey, if y'all can hear me, this is pretty much an intro to welding class. Right now, everybody at lunch.
What up, YouTube gang? You didn't remember to help make my truck? But 6.2 V8
Hell yeah.
liters.
That's some deaf kids, bro. That's how you know welding be good.
All right, guys. So today we're gonna do some 1G action, some V rolls. Right now I'm gonna go get my material out my locker, and then we're gonna do some welding. Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
This is gonna have to do for now. Can't really do nothing. They're crooked. I didn't cut these, but we'll make it happen. Come on. Okay. It should be good right now, but later I might go get some more rods. But today we're gonna do some 1G D flat grooves. If y'all didn't know, my name is Raul. I'm a 10th grader. So let's see what we're gonna do. So it's gonna look a little early, but it's okay. So we'll make it happen. Oh no. Okay. We're gonna cut a blade on 2 inches. We're gonna make a T-joint. ¿Vas a cortar? Sí. So I'm gonna cut one for them first, and then the 25th of January or 24, and it's gonna be the first video of the welding channel. Okay, I'm the co-president, I'll say, of the channel. I'm the old reels, and my friend over there, I don't know where he's at, but his name's Arturo Escalante. He's the president, and right here, my boy Diego, he's the cameraman.
Hey, yeah, cameraman for sure.
Shout out to the Major Boys, you feel me?
Hell yeah, hell
So
yeah.
look him up. He got some good songs. He's the president right here of the channel. That's Arturo.
Introduce your name.
Hey, I'm Arturo. He's about to do something that I don't know, so I'm gonna.
Ball-headed ass boy, you already know what's up. Oye, pero ¿qué es lo que está haciendo Mindset? Big Papi Pancho. I'm a what's up, there you go.
As you know, if you started the fire, you can align it to the right temperature to cut the metal.
Alright guys, so usually what you're gonna do, you're gonna wear a face shield. In this case, I'm not, but make sure you follow your PPE safety, okay? First step, you're gonna heat up the plate.
But just in case,
all that moisture out the
you have to
plate.
wear the face shield because it protects your
Yeah,
eyes and mainly it protects your skin.
Let's see how
So
we do.
just go
Alright,
off that.
I haven't cut plate in a while, so let's see. Okay? When it gets started red, you're gonna spin on the trigger and you're gonna go straight. So
Just focus on the cut. When you're about to end the cut, just let it go. You're gonna have to redo it and cut it again.
or you can do that too. Alright.
Fuck it, we back to the welding station. What you gotta work on?
So right now I'm gonna make a vertical T-joint.
Vertical T-joint.
Yeah. So as of right now, I'm gonna just tack it flat and then I'm gonna do it vertical. As straight as possible. Alright. Mr. Cameraman, be careful. I am gonna spark it just to make sure it works, so. Okay. Alright.
All he's trying to do is just keep it hold in place so he could be able to actually weld instead of him having to use two hands in one job.
We're gonna use the C10 rod. I'm using the red ones because I didn't want to open another case with the regular ones. But basically, what you're gonna do, you're gonna start from bottom to up. So you're gonna get it. You're gonna strike down. You're gonna start up. And when you go up, you're gonna bring it back down. You're gonna whip it. So.
But since he knows, of course, what material he's using and all that, he knows what he's doing.
It's not good, but it's my first time. Okay, it is my first time trying to do vertical, but
Now he has to grind it so he can actually smoothen out the piece.
so these came out a little bit better. Somewhat better. Better than last one. Better than last one for sure. Oh, they turned it off. Swear. They turned it off.
This is the outro of Welding. You know what I'm saying? We got the cameraman for sure behind y'all.
My boy Arturo, the
No
president of the channel.
Yeah. It wasn't too much today. In the end, we're just gonna give you it's really an intro to y'all to see if y'all fuck with it, see if y'all don't. You know what I'm saying? This for sure gonna be more project. Y'all go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment what y'all think about the new vlog, and peace.